Alright guys, guess what? This is my 100th video and I've just arrived in sunny New Zealand. It's warm, there's no snow, the sun's out, I'm happy. Ah, it's blissful. Anyway, to celebrate my 100th video and also 2,000 subscribers, thank you very much, I put together a compilation of my best moments so far. So without further ado, here's the top 10 of my best moments on YouTube so far.
I need to drive next time.
That's
That's what I'm doing.
you're on the KW.
It's not gonna go out the thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Real quick now.
Led blind through the promised land. No plan on stopping now, I'm flooding through the city. All up in the metropolitan. Grab the handy, polish it on some flat wallet shit. But my vibe deliver life, no gynecologist. I don't know what time it is, I'm running on fumes. Knee deep in the biz, I'm trying to be a tycoon. Need proof, check my disco. Growing like pintos. Plotting on plays while you scrolling through your Visco. Me and all my kinfolk want it real bad. So me and all my kinfolk gon' get it real fast. If I'm ever falling short, please don't ever feel bad. By the time you even notice, I'll be bouncing right back. Now I'm diamond dancing, what a time to be alive. Stuck on top the fence, y'all gon' have to pick a side. Heard the water here is vicious, but f it, I'ma dive. I done learned from my mistakes, and that's a blessing in disguise. You hold me down, but soon I will rise.
Three, two, one, go.
Oh, he's falling.
Come on!
Oh, he's... Come on, Yana! Come on, Yana! Oh no! No! Oh no!
I gotta close the window before I record, cause New York don't know how to be quiet. Stand up. Third. Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa.
You already know what I've been on. You know where I be at. Cause men lie, women lie, numbers don't I see that. Catch me in a private jet like with a be that in this flight attendant. Got the fattest ass, you know I need that natty. Say they love me, but they just obsessed with the image. Now with practice makes perfect, then this is a scrimmage. Cause I ain't perfect, I never said I was. But now they hate it cause a brother finally got some buzz.
Don't get in my way. Ay, ay, don't get in my way. If I'm coming for the gas, now get out my way. 120 moving fast. Ay, don't get in my way. If I'm coming for the gas, now get out my way.
Cold world, I'm a born sinner, we pour liquor. Girl, come over, it's all jigger. Chicks wanna holler.
I believe I can fly.
What happened? I think you broke it.
I break it.
There we go. Let's go, let's go. Oh my.
There's no way. So guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching some of my old videos. And here is to the next 100 videos. Peace out guys. I'll see you next time.